Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background music in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you want to change the background music in Mobile Legends, then first of all launch the Mobile Legends app on your device and wait for the game to fully load. Once it is done, go ahead and tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once you open up the settings menu, click on Sound from the left-hand side menu. Inside the sound settings, scroll down and tap on Customize right next to Theme Song. Now this will open up the background music section. There will be multiple tracks available. You can select the one that you want to change to from the list. Simply tap on the plus button right next to the song and it will be added in your playlist. Now you can remove the previous song by tapping the minus icon right next to the song at the top, and that way you will be able to change your background music on Mobile Legends. You can now go ahead and play the song to check if it is the one for you by tapping the play button. You can go ahead and choose any other music that you'd like to change to and simply tap on the plus button right next to them to add it in your currently playing list. And that is how you will be able to change your background music on Mobile Legends. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Mobile Legends Bang Bang tutorials. Enjoy your game with the fresh music. I'll be back in the next video again. Thanks for watching.